OBS Studio, go to your Microsoft Store to have it installed, or go to your Google search and type OBS Studio. Install it according to your window. If you're using Windows 11, Windows 10, you should install according to your window. Okay? Don't worry, as I've said earlier, I will be leaving the links below in the description box just in case you find it difficult getting the right one. Okay? Now, just type OBS Studio. Though I already have it on my system, but it's just to make you understand how it looks like, just in case you want to download it. After installing it, it will bring you to a blank dark interface like this. This is how your dashboard or interface should look like if you are on OBS Studio, okay? Now guys, before we continue, I must not forget to tell you, in this video tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use OBS Studio for your screen recording alone. I've done a video tutorial in time past how to live stream using OBS Studio, just in case you want to learn how to stream live on YouTube, live on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms using OBS Studio. I have done a video tutorial about that, and I shall be leaving the link below in the description box. Please go and watch that video so that you learn how to use it to live stream on YouTube and other social media platforms. Okay? It's an amazing tool that you can use for free without paying a dime. Okay, guys, with that said, now let's continue. Now that we are here, what we need to do first is to click on this plus sign where you have sources here. Under here, there's a plus sign here. I don't know if you can see it very well. Click on this plus sign. Okay, after clicking on the plus sign, you can see many options here. Since we are recording the entire screen of our computer, we're going to click on display capture. But if you want to record a specific part of your window, what you need to click on is window capture. Okay, but in this case, I'm recording the entire screen, so I have to click on display capture. Okay, guys, did you understand that? Now here you have to name it according to your desire. Any name you want to put here, it doesn't really matter. You can put anything there, it doesn't really matter. Okay, in this case, let me just put something like sound, for example, and then click OK. Next is to set up the audio. To do that, go to your settings here, click on settings, and click on audio. Okay, here you can select your desktop audio and microphone devices here. This ensures that both your system sound and your voice are recorded. Okay, in this case, I'm using my system sound direct. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this very one on default. Desktop audio, I'm going to leave it on default. Okay, so guys, you should make a choice depending on if you have microphones connected and all of that. Okay, now after that, what you need to do next is to click on OK. Now it's time to adjust the video settings, and to do that, you have to go back to your settings here, click on it, and come back here under here where you have video. Now, after clicking on video, you have to set your base canvas resolution and output scaled resolution. You can also set the FPS, which is a frames per second here. Okay, guys, which is this very particular one. You can set it here. I'm just going to leave it on 30 as it is like this. And then for my base canvas resolution, I will say is okay, 1920 per 1080 pixels, which is this 16:9 aspect ratio, because I'm using it for YouTube. I will say it's just okay. Then as for the output scaled resolution, I will say it's just okay like this. If you meet your own automatically, leave it like this. But if it's not automatically, you can set it on 1920 per 1080 pixel. Okay. As for the aspect ratio is 16:9, since I'm making use of YouTube. At the tail end, you just have to click on OK. With that done already, next is to choose output settings. Now to choose the output settings, go back to your settings here, click on it, and click on output. Guys, you have to make sure to follow this step-by-step tutorial, because a lot of people find it difficult to make proper setup of OBS Studio. And if you're not able to set it up properly, you might not be able to use it. Sometimes it's a bit I don't want to say difficult or complicated, so you have to make sure you pay attention to the setup so that you don't miss out on any of the step. Okay, guys. Now, after clicking on the output, you have to select the recording part where your recording will be saved. Recording quality format, usually MP4 or MKV, and encoder. Okay, guys. Now, to do that, you have to click on this recording here, and then under here you will see recording parts. This recording part here, you have to choose where your video will be saved here. In my own case, I just put videos direct so that whenever I finish recording, it will be automatically sent to my video files in my system. Okay, guys? So you can click here to select or even browse which of them you want to put in there. You can click on the browse here and select from your file direct where you want it to go to, whether on download or video, this PC, Windows C, USB or anywhere. But in my own case, I just have it. I just have to put video so that it will not be difficult for me to locate my files whenever I finish recording. And then for the recording format, guys, for the recording format, you can choose MKV or MP4. To do that, click on this arrow down button here. You can put it on MP4, this very particular one here, or MKV. With that done already, guys, I will say we are good to go. Every other ones here, you can leave them the way they are like this. Just leave them the way they are. Audio, 160 audio bitrate is okay like this. Leave them the way they are. Replay buffer 20 seconds is not bad. Just leave them the way they are. Okay, with that done already, click on OK or apply, whichever one you want to click on. Okay, next you go back to your settings and click on hotkeys. Here, click on these hotkeys and add assign keys for starting and stopping the recording. This can make it easier to control your recording. Okay, guys, this is optional. If you want, you can add. If you want, you can leave it. In my own case, I'm just going to leave it. But if you want, you can add it. If you want, you can leave it. Just click OK. And then, with that done already, guys, it's time to start recording. Come straight here where you have start recording. Click on it and automatically your screen will start recording, okay, for free without paying a dime. And if you want to end the recording, same process, come here, click on stop recording, and it will finally come to an end and be saved automatically to wherever you directed your file to be saved to. As simple as that. So, as I've said earlier, I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box. I hope this video really be of help to you. If this video has added value to you in any way, please don't hesitate to put thumbs ups. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel and you like what I do on my channel, please don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button. God bless you as you do that. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Shalom.